Hi there, students. Proactive, an adjective. Proactively, the adverb. Retroactive, an adjective. Retroactively, adverb. If you are proactive, or you do something proactively, you are doing something in advance to deal with an expected change or an expected problem. Taking an umbrella in case it rains is proactive. You've got the umbrella in case there is rain, so you're acting before to stop yourself getting wet. Now, retroactive is not the opposite of proactive, although it sounds like it should be. Retroactive means applying to an earlier period of time. Something that takes effect prior to enactment, prior to the decision to make it take effect. So, for example, a pay rise could be retroactive. This means that you've been given a pay rise today, but that pay rise could cover the whole of last year, 2020. The pay rise comes into effect now, but it also covers all of the previous year. So retroactive, effective from a date in the past. Yeah, applying to an earlier period, an earlier point in time. So, proactive, shutting the stable door before the horse bolts. Trying to deal with things before they happen. That is proactive. Retroactive, applying to a period of time before now. By being proactive, you can deal with many problems before they crop up. Having money saved for a rainy day is proactive. You could have a retroactive law, a law that comes into effect now, but applies to a period of time before now. So maybe something that you did in the past that was legal at that point in the past suddenly becomes an illegal act. It's possible, yeah. Or you could have a retroactive tax increase. Oh my God. Yes, you paid your taxes last year, but we're going to make a retroactive tax increase, so now you owe more for your taxes last year. That's retroactive. Or I think when somebody dies, they are retroactively given many qualities that they never had before. So if somebody dies, suddenly everyone says lovely things about them and what a wonderful person they were. But before they died, he's impossible. I can't stand him. Yeah, this is retroactively applying qualities to somebody. So retroactive is something that has effect on a period in the past. Yeah, something that it applies to the past as well as the present and future. Whereas proactive is dealing with things before they happen. So the next question is formality. I think I would probably only give both of these words a 6 in formality. I think they're flexible, and I think you could probably use them anywhere, even in an informal conversation. Let's see, proactive, I think, is a business buzzword. Yeah, business managers should be proactive, deal with things or take care of things before the problem occurs. And I think retroactive, this to me sounds more like accountancy and money, business and legal. But I think both of these words, proactive and retroactive, they're business words. Now the origins are interesting. So retroactive comes from Latin retroactus, which is the past participle of retroagere. Retro back, and agere to push or to drive. And you would have thought proactive would be Latin as well, but apparently it was first used in a psychology text in 1933 by Paul Whiteley and Gerald Blankforth. So it's only been coined fairly recently, and clearly pro before and act proactive. So proactive, do something to stop the problem. Be proactive. Stop your problems before they occur. And then something that's retroactive, the effects of this policy are going to be retroactive. They're going to apply to an earlier period than now. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Proactive and retroactive.